Hey everybody, this is Ralph back with another video talking about breaking free from the digital grind by utilizing recurring commissions. If you're busy online promoting affiliate marketing offers or network marketing offers, one thing that you might overlook is the power of promoting products that pay recurring commissions and recurring commissions on the sales that you make. A lot of network marketing offers will pay you recurring commissions based on the work of others. But when you think about it, the work of others is something that you really can't control. I mean, you may build what you think is a pretty good team and then have 80% or maybe even 90% of your team do nothing, make no sales or maybe next to no sales, while you're the one out there hustling and selling. And then you're getting paid maybe recurring commissions of 5%, 10% on what you sell because they're telling you you're also going to be earning, 5 or 10% commissions on what your downline does. But again, if your downline doesn't do much, that's not much reward. What I like, in order to escape the grind of the hamster wheel, as it were, of digital marketing, is I like to promote affiliate marketing offers and sometimes network marketing offers, but I like to focus on affiliate marketing offers that pay high recurring commissions. Not just 5%, not just 10%, and definitely not like Amazon where they only pay like about 3%, but no, good high recurring commissions like 50%, 60% on up to 80%. Those are the offers I like to promote. And the reason why is this, is that once you attract a good team of customers who love your product and stay with the product month after month after month, you develop what can be called recurring income through recurring commissions. We all have residual bills, recurring bills, so why not have recurring commissions? If you doubt the power of recurring commissions, just think about your smartphone service. How much have you been paying month after month after month to your cell phone provider? I know with us, we pay $20 a month per line for every cell phone that we have. And we've been with the same company for 15 years because they've made us a really good deal. They provide us with really good service, and we've stayed with them for that length of time. The same thing could be happening to you on the opposite side of the fence when you start selling products that pay recurring commissions. If you can find a really good product that people will love, if you can find it being offered by a company that's been in the business for a while and will not scam out after 1 or 2 years, but has gone the distance and is built for long-term survivability and thriving into the future, and you start selling products with a company like that, you can be building a good income over time where you will get to the point where you don't have to do much work at all because you've leveraged the work you've done in the past. You've built up a good team of customers. You've sold them products that pay you on a recurring basis, things like memberships, subscriptions, things like that. And as long as your customers are happy with the product or the service, they will keep paying month after month after month. And with recurring commissions, you will keep earning month after month after month. So eventually you work your way into a position where you're making money as you sleep, and you don't have to be out there hustling every freaking day of the week, year after year after year. On Facebook, I know a lot of people who have been grinding in affiliate marketing for 5 and 10 years, working a second job to pay the bills, still no end in sight. Don't let that be you. Focus on products that pay recurring commissions and build that up and see if it doesn't bring freedom to you in your personal business. I know that's what I'm working on right now. I've got a company that has been teaching me a lot in affiliate marketing. It's an affiliate marketing school led by seven-figure earners that are honest. The company has been in existence since 2016, and they pay 80% recurring commissions. It's a program that I love. It's a program that I believe in, and the compensation plan is truly something else. So if you'd like to take a look at it, I got my affiliate link down in the program description down below. Just go to www.ralphshomebiz.com. And again, affiliate link in the program description down below. Check it out, see if it's right for you. Okay, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Until then, take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.